Hello again from İzmir. Now we are heading to other side of the city by city ferry. Today is middle of April, 14th of April 2021. It's a great day. The sun is shining on the sky. There is a wave on the sea, but still it's good. So now we will go that side. Its name is Alsancak, something like a center of İzmir city. In general, when you say center, in fact there are different centers of İzmir, especially for local people. Konak is the dead side, is the center of everything daytime, but after like 6 or 7 p.m. the center is turning to Alsancak. Alsancak is like for the old restaurants and nightclubs, and many activities are generally there. In Konak is more like governmental issues like banks, tax office, social security offices and something like that. Now the vessel is heading to Alsancak with my ferry, and there is also 2 stations for this ferry. One of them is Alsancak, another one is Passport. So that ferry will go, it will cross the Karşıyaka from here and will go to Alsancak and then Passport and again turning. So that ferry is also going somewhere, I don't know where, and that one also coming from other side, most probably from Konak. The wind is great. And another one, they all belongs to İzmir municipality, and that ferry is built in İzmir. I can show you inside. This is inside. Smoking is forbidden, of course, but also you can stay here, especially if the weather is good. And if you push this button, then you will be here. That guy is also was very famous of the team of İzmir football team, Altay. This is the captain cabin, and now we are heading to other side of the city. Here I feel safe and calm, warmer because of wind, but anyway, İzmir is good even you are out of vessel or inside. So I'm gonna go out again with that button. Now yes, that zone is